Okay guys, what's up? You guys know what it is, the small account challenge. I do have another video coming out for you guys tomorrow that's not including the small account. I'll put the small account challenge out as well. I just kind of wanted to show you guys this real fast. What we were looking at here this morning, I called Roku puts, literally basically as the market opened, as it came back up. Got this nice short basically in here. We made money there. It was pretty easy. This one I lost money on. I'll be 100% honest with you. Again, that's why it was a small position, guys. This wasn't on the small account, though. It was on the big account. But again, it was a super small position. I just kind of thought. And then I ended up taking profits on SPY calls. But that you had to be in the voice chat in order to know that I did that. Just because I was trying to make up the loss for this position right there. So I didn't alert that one at all. Unless you were in trading with me live. So with that being said, took some profits, still got 5 on these. I let it run, basically let it go up to where I entered, so I was already making money on the small. This was on the big account, of course, because I'm not going to have 5 contracts on my small account. So I took profits on my small account when I did this. When I let 5 run on the other one, on my big account, it was basically letting it go to where I entered and stopping out, so I was profitable no matter what. Roku calls I also played on the small account, so I took 2 trades today on the small account. Both of them were very small positions, of course, because I got a small account. I want to go over the calls real fast with you guys. We can just pop this up in here. Once it started, you guys see this dotted line here. As soon as it was breaking, this one had a lot of momentum in it. It was really strong candle. When it broke this right here, I was just anticipating this, so I got in. Worst case scenario, it got this and rejected. I took, a couple dollars profit. Wasn't going to be much, of course, because it didn't really move that much, but it did end up pushing through. I was selling it in here. I was not waiting for this to fall back, or I was not waiting for this. I was in it at this point, and then it pulled back into here, and I was happy to take profits in here with my small account. Now, my bigger account, I did take this trade as well because it was just too easy of a trade. It's one of my better setups to let this thing run up here. I was in it right here, and I ended up letting it come all the way back down into here before I took profit. I know that was dumb on me. I should have been taking all the profit I can, but I didn't. That's my mistakes. Again, I'm not perfect. We learn from every trade. I do this for a living, guys, and let me tell you, everybody's going to tell you, oh, eventually one day you'll catch this up here every time. No, you won't. You're never going to catch this up here every time because you're thinking, oh, it's going to go up here further, and then it pulls back and you take your profits down in here. It's not that big of a deal, but it is a thing. I've heard people tell me, oh, one day you'll get it to where you're catching every single one of them up here. No, you don't. That's why I take my profits where I do take them, because I want to make sure that I'm green. I'm not going to hold through a nasty red move and then wait for it to go back up through. If you want to wait days and days and days, maybe. I'm not doing that. I'm taking my day trade and I'm moving on. With that being said, guys, that's really the small account recap. We are officially green still, and we're starting to build the account again after that one loss last week. So with that being said, that's really what happened here. As you guys can see, we do have the options alerts channel here. We do have some profits here. See if you can see this. You probably can't. I don't know if I have to expand this or what do I got to do, but yeah, this man made over $1,000 this morning, and this guy made over $210 this morning. So we are all looking pretty good here, and they're both on Robinhood, guys, and they're making that kind of money. So it just shows you don't have to be on TD Ameritrade to make good money trading stocks. So with that being said, guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's recap.